Hey guys, it's Deb, My Maine Gardens, road trip time. Abraham's Goat Farm and Creamery, Newport, Maine. I was not planning to come here. I was just driving by on my way somewhere else and I saw a goat. Pulled over, and I can't wait to show you around, and I can't wait for you to meet the goats and then see their amazing products that they produce here. Let's go. Let's goat. Hi, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My friend? Oh, I'm so lucky. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, bud. Are we going? Come on. Oh. I have to go home now. Yeah. So nice to meet you and be loved by you. Yes. Thank you all for the love. No, don't eat my bracelet. Don't eat my shirt. My clothes are delicious. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, see ya. I'm gonna go see ya.